Now, welcome back to Daytime Live. We are still here with King Shango, aka Capleton, who is here to perform his new single.
Rise Above, you know?
So that's in. Who produced it?
Freshers production, you know?
Freshers Production.
Yeah, man, big up Freshers and the family, you know?
Rise Above.
Rise Above.
Right now, we're going to take it ourselves. Freshers Production.
Don't
Rise
it?
Above.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
So
but we like that
first.
message just still. Rise
Yeah,
Above.
yeah, come here for Rise Above, you know what I mean?
Man, no matter what.
Yeah, man. Bless up the reggae girls, them too. Rise Above.
No, say nothing more. Do your thing, say nothing more.
Rise and shine. Give Rastafari the glory. The rise and never fall. Youth we standing tall. Daytime lad. Rise above from all the evil that they do. Rise above. Cause they want your life to ruin. Rise above. The place they keep polluted. Rise above. From the looting and the shooting. We'll always rise above. Rise above. Rise with peace and love. Rise above. Burn these hates and grudge. Rise above. Let's rise up from the slum. Rise up from the mud. Alright then, get your youth. Babylon, me say them mentally crippled. Them want we survive from the diamond, the nickel. So them only present us with the muckle and the nickel. Them want we slide, that's why they make it simple. Whoa, them want it all, so them give we a little. So them got Frastal and no Papi nickel. This a generation Babylon can't be nickel. Vampire get paid with the prickle. Now when your name, we'll always rise above. Rise above, rise with peace and love. Rise above, burn these hates and love. Rise above, just rise up from the slum, or rise up from the mud. Alright then, see that Babylon and no Messi say them a trickster. Them go rob most of the wealth from Africa. Let me tell you about Marley and Rita. When we survive from the wackle and the wicker. Think we would have weak, them say we can get fitter. Think we would have poor, them say we can get richer. From the day I'm born, I've never been a quitter. Babylon, me know your end, it go bitter. Now on your name, we'll always rise above. Rise above. Rise with peace and love. Rise above. Burn these hates and grudge. Rise above. Let's rise up from the slum. Rise up from the mud. Alright then, see them. Babylon, you're too crooked. Get your youth, now make them get you flat-footed. See them now, you turn and you have to look with. People them wising up, can't take them for not stupid. Now and then, have to play your part, yeah. Have to play it smart, yeah. And always be clever forever in all your endeavors. Hey, that one your name. We'll always rise above, rise with peace and love. Rise above, burn these hates and rage. Rise above, just rise up from the slum, rise up from the mud. All right then, sit down. Babylon, them too wicked. Get your youth, shoot. Keep it burning, can't go.
Yeah, we have to give them the clear energy, you know, see it.
Is what?
Hold on, is one here, sir?
No, nothing now.
So your knees were up here.
Hold on.
Your knees were up here, sir.
Hold on, I'm going to keep it now.
You're working on your rocket.
Yeah, man.
There's a question I was asking.
Yeah, yeah.
You know the song, what I'm saying? If I don't know.
Oh, it's a. Well, if you continue to do it, then I say we are going to come and tell you no future, no future, wait to school with. Ah, what?
You're still not here. Yes, I'm a kid.
Yeah, man.
No, get it.
Some people always want to say, yo, why you are saying that the song, you know what I mean? But you don't know, immorality we are requesting me. You say, me, I say, 'cause you don't know it go. Good over evil again, life over that, money over war. righteousness, aspiration, you know what I mean? Salvation, discipline, diligence, humility, tolerance.
Don't forget
Don't
St.
Mary
Mary
me come from. You know what I say?
10th.
November 10th.
Where?
National Arena.
When?
Right beside the stadium.
All right.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
All
man.
right.
November 10th, it's go mad.
Make sure
Artists galore, you know
Where
what I
you
mean?
come from?
It's gonna be epic.
Where you from?
Them should know where St. Mary me come from. But you don't know what, man. St. Mary me come from, come a town. Everybody say them have to gather round.
Yeah.
In the National Arena, rock and come in, everybody a come in.
On that note, thanks for tuning in to Daytime Live. Wishing you all a great weekend.
Remember to link us back on Tuesday for much more buzz,
Bless
chat,
you.
vibe, and
Mad.
mix.
Keep it, give me small at
Mad thing.
St. Mary me come from, come a
town.
town. Everybody say them have to gather round. In the National Arena, rock and come in, everybody a come in. Man.